Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I still think this is going to end up continuing the uptrend, but that doesn't mean that there will not be some bigger pullbacks on the shorter time frames, but I still think it's going to continue to make like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, most likely a wave A, or possibly a wave 1. Either way, definitely shouldn't matter because either scenario it should just go up and break this high right here to make that nice looking uptrend. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. Now weekly time frame, looking at all dollar pairs, I am thinking that we probably are going to make a move to the downside. I think this right here probably is the uptrend, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is probably an A, this is probably an irregular wave B or an irregular top, as Elliott Wave would call it, or this is now going down for a wave C. Now if this is a wave C, then it's probably only going to go down to about the 100%, most likely make a higher low, and just end up continuing the uptrend. I think we're going to have a 1, a 2, ABC of 2, and then eventually, probably in a few months, go up for a wave 3. So let's head down to the daily time frame. So daily time frame, this is where you can see this uptrend. It's very clearly a 5-wave pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this right here probably is a downtrend, probably an A. This is probably an A, B, C of B. And yes, it is a higher high, but that makes it what I would call an irregular wave B or an irregular top. And if that's the case, then that means that this is probably just going to keep on drifting down to make a wave C. Probably most likely place for it to go is 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected off the top of wave B before it actually ends what I think is going to be an ABC of 2 and then goes up for that big wave 3. So let's take a look at that on the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frames, shorter time frames, we're definitely just looking for trades in the direction of our roadmap time frames. So that tells me that if it does start to make a move to the upside, it's probably just going to be a correction to the last wave down. And at the end of that correction, if I see a 3-way pattern up, if I see an impulsive move down, then that's definitely the entry that I'm looking for the continuation of the downtrend. So let's take it right down to the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame, like I said, we don't really know for sure that it's going to up now. It looks more like a 1, 2, 3 really, but it does kind of look like it wants to go up. It is turning, so if it does make a 3-way pattern up, if it makes a correction to this last move down, 3 waves up, impulsive down, that's exactly what I want to see to go short for what I think is going to be the continuation of this big wave C on the much longer time frames. So we're just going to continue to look for shorts in a downtrend on these shorter time frames at the end of ABC pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.